Cost trackers enable you to track any cost in AWS. By leveraging the AWS tags you already have in place, you can track costs for a specific resource, groups of resources, a specific department or customer, you name it, we can track it. Plus, each cost tracker can also be added to any dashboard. Here's how it works. This page is a list of all your current cost trackers. Let's go ahead and create a new cost tracker that tracks the cost for a specific resource owner. We'll start by clicking New in the upper right corner. This is the cost tracker editor. At the top of the screen are all the filters you can apply to create your cost tracker. Let's start by giving your cost tracker a name. You can also give your cost tracker a different name that will be displayed on the dashboard module. Next, you need to select which AWS accounts you want to include. You can select from individual accounts, organizational units, or in this case, we want to include all accounts. Now we need to pick the type of chart you want to use. There's a big variety of charts, everything from a standard trend chart to stack charts, cumulative spend charts, cost segments, top 10 lists. You get the idea. In this particular case, I think a standard trend chart is going to be just fine. The next step is to choose the frequency of the chart. For this particular tracker, we want to track the daily spend for the past 30 days. So we're going to select daily and 30 days. You can also choose whether or not you want to see the totals at the top of your chart. In this case, I think we do want to see the totals at the top. Next, we need to decide which AWS services you want to include. You can include all of the different service costs, or maybe I just want to look at EC2 costs. Or maybe within EC2, I just want to look at compute costs. You can see how we can get very specific and only include the services that are relevant for your tracker. In this case, let's go ahead and include all of the AWS services. Next, let's select the AWS tags that we want to include. In this case, we're building a cost tracker for a specific owner. So let's select the owner tag. And within the owner tag, let's select demo user. Finally, let's create an alert so that we can be notified as soon as there are significant spikes in spending. Just click New. Now we just need to define the trigger for the alert. In this case, let's say we want to be notified if the daily spend spikes more than 10% from the previous day. We can also select which users will be notified and how they will be notified, either by email, text, or a website notification. Let's go ahead and click Save to finish creating the alert. And that's it. When you're done setting all your filters, just click Save. Now remember, each cost tracker that you create can now be viewed on any dashboard. Here's how you add it. We're going to go up to Dashboards and go to Settings. In this case, we'll just create a new dashboard, and we're going to slide down, and you can see that our demo user 30-day spend cost tracker is now added to the available modules. We just drag it into place, and we'll give this dashboard a name. We'll just call it demo user and click Save. And there you have it. There is the cost tracker that we just created on a brand new dashboard page called demo user.